am so excited for this video. These are the cutest. It's Life with Cats from Re-Ment. It's a little miniature cat collectible, and I'm just like, oh, I'm melting. I cannot wait. I hope they're not double ups. It always makes me nervous. I got these off Amazon. I will link it down below for you, but oh my goodness, so excited. I saw a lady on TikTok with one of these, and as soon as I saw it, I was straight to Amazon. Okay, so inside there is some card. There's a little sticker. I got the little cat food one. Did I get the cat food one? Is that what that means? Does that, what? It's the cat food one. So I get the cat. Oh yes! I was really worried I wasn't going to get the cat. Okay, so let's unbox this. Let's do this. I am so incredibly pleased. Look at this little darling. What a sweetheart. I cannot wait. I really want to collect them all. I'm gonna cut this little guy out first. Look. No, little darling. So sweet. You can sit there. This is so gorgeous. So this must be water for the water bowl. This is the cat biscuits. Oh, this is so sweet. I'm melting. Look. How detailed, how cool. These are the two cat bowls, which is similar to what I actually have in real life as well. Is this a like security camera? Is this what this is? I don't really know. I have one that looks identical sitting on my windowsill, so I'm thinking this is a security camera. My cat doesn't play with it, but I don't know what else that is. You can see the cat in the background's playing with this one though. What have we got here? This is the food bag, so we'll put the sticker on there in a second. And then this is the cat bowl holder. So putting this together, you put the little cat bowl. Oh, I love the detail of this. I have opened a lot of blind bags before, and there's just something about how cute and adorable this one is. It's really doing it for me. So you can push these in so they lock in a bit better. And then we've got the cat food, which sits in there. The detail is brilliant. Now does this go up that way? Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is just so damn cute. Right, so going in for the cat food, we'll just peel the sticker off. Stickers always make me very nervous. I'm a bit, I shake quite a bit, so it's always a little bit tough for me. Okay, note to yourself, if you are doing this, it goes all the way to the top. Okay, and then for the front bag, I really do shake it. It really is difficult for me. Just bear with me. So sweet. Look at it. These are so sweet and so well done. I'm really happy with those. So I'm just going to put that one over here with this little guy. So that's that one. That's sitting there. I think he's meant to like play with it. Not focusing. There we go. Okay, and now let's open the second one. I really am hoping there is no double ups here. Please, no. You're kidding! I got the two that I wanted. What are the odds of that? What the heck? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So happy. I get the little poop. What are the odds? I never get the ones that I want. That is so cute. I wanted one with at least a cat, and that one looks like my cat, so I'm really happy with that. And then for this to be his litter tray, oh, I'm so happy. Okay, let's go. Let's have a look. So there is this box here, little box. The cat litter bag. So cute. Oh, these are brilliant. Gosh, I enjoy this a lot. What is this? There's some stickers, okay. Okay, so we've got the bottom of the tray, and look at this little pooper scooper. I am dying. These are so sweet. Okay, so I'm guessing this goes on there. Here's the cat litter. So the cat litter will obviously go inside. It fits nicely in there. It all fits really nice as well. Like, it is really well made. It doesn't feel like the cheapy blind boxes I've been getting recently, so that's nice. So this little pooper scooper sits in the lid of the litter box like that. Then we have these three little items here. We've got a little poop. Oh my my goodness, I don't know why I'm getting so much happiness from that. Little poop and the thing, it's so cute. Don't know why, I just think that's so funny. And then I actually don't know what this is. Is it, like, what is this? Is it a cat toy? Like, what is that? I don't really know what that is. I'm happy, it's cute, I just don't know what it is. It's like a duster, is it? I can see it's like on that, so it's clearly nothing to do with the actual. This is so cute, oh my goodness. I need to buy more. I'll put that over by him. And then what's this one? Is it like a little cat? Is it a cell phone that has a cat case? It is, it's a cell phone, and then that's what this goes on. I think you can choose, you could be scrolling cat products on the phone, and then this is the, no, that's, or you can have, I guess, it on, that's the security camera footage from the cat playing with this. Oh my god, that is so clever. That is so clever, look. It's trying to get it looking like that, so it's, I guess you can put on the screen, you can choose whether you want to be scrolling through products or you could be looking at the cat. I'm definitely doing the cat. Of course we're doing the cat. Do use tweezers for this one. I'm too shaky for something like this. I just think it's so clever that this cell phone app clearly has the app for the camera that the cat's looking at over here. The amount of detail on this is just so impressive. Like, I really am enjoying this. It's so good. It is bringing me so much joy to do this. It is just so incredibly sweet. My favorite thing is definitely the little litter box with the little cat poop in it. It's so funny. It's just, I'm just pleased I got what I wanted out of this one. The detail on this is just brilliant. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cool, and it's just so much better quality, and it's bringing me more joy than a lot of other blind boxes and things. I want more. I need more of these. I'm gonna go buy more. There will be another video. Anyway, that was just a little bit of fun. I'm gonna do more of these unboxings of like blind bags and things. So I'll create a playlist especially for little miniature blind bags. So I'll leave that down below as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for your time and attention. And I will see you in the next video.